Hi, my name is Matt, and I've been living on the Beara Peninsula in Southwest Ireland for more than 20 years, about the same time I've been practicing meditation and Kumye. It needed something very effective to settle me down enough to sit on a meditation cushion and to stay there for a while. Because for nearly a decade I was a globe-trotting adrenaline junkie, tearing around the world, looking for a solution outside of myself, looking for happiness, contentment, meaning, purpose outside of myself. And I would never have believed that the greatest adventure and actually the biggest reward was the journey back to here. Back to the present moment. Back to this. Kumye is sometimes referred to as a yoga, but I prefer to talk about it as a path of meditation or relaxation or human development that works through the body. Suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels, Kumye consists of simple breathing and movement exercises that restore the body's natural rhythms, so energizing the body, making us feel alive, while at the same time calming the mind. And when our mind and body are balanced in this way, we feel well and more attuned with the world. Kumye is from the Tibetan Buddhist tradition, and the form that I follow and share was systemized and adapted for Western minds and modern lifestyles. It relieves the deeply rooted tensions that make us restless and anxious. We can meditate, we can sit still, we can feel spacious and present. I invite you to try Kumye and see if the same is true for you. There are a number of free introductory sessions you could try, or you might like to dive straight into one of the courses. Enjoy.